Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to crochet a 3D border edging design for blanket. For this purpose I am using a worsted weight yarn and a 4mm crochet hook. First of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a slip knot with the help of crochet hook. I am going to make 34 base chain for my project. Any odd number base chain plus 5. So simply complete your 34 base chain. After completing your 34 base chain, wrap the yarn and go into the 6th chain from the hook. Pull the yarn, pull through 2 loops and then pull through 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Now make chain 1, skip 1 chain, go into the next and make a double crochet stitch. Make chain 1, skip 1 chain, go into the next and make a double crochet stitch. Make chain 1, skip 1 chain, go into the next and make a double crochet stitch. So repeat this pattern till the end of the chain. After completing this, now I will show you how to make your border. So make chain 2. Chain 2 is counted as our double crochet stitch. Now go into this double crochet stitch and make double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, and double crochet 8. Make 8 double crochet stitches to this double crochet stitch. After making 8 double crochet stitches, now go into this chain space and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, take the starting yarn tail between the stitches, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5 and double crochet 6. Make 6 double crochet stitches into this chain 1. Now into next double crochet stitch we are going to make 8 double crochet stitches again. So go into this double crochet stitch space and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, double crochet 8. After completing 8 double crochet stitches, now go into this next chain 1 space and make 6 double crochet stitches here and then 8 double crochet stitch here into next double crochet stitch. I hope you can easily understand this pattern. So go into this chain 1 space and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, and then go into the next double crochet stitch here and make 8 double crochet stitches, double crochet 1 and complete 8. After completing 8 double crochet stitches, now into this next chain 1 space make 6 double crochet stitches, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5 and double crochet 6. Now into this next again 8 double crochet stitches, so now you can see the 3D pattern. 8 double crochet here and 6 double crochet into this chain 1 and then again 8 double crochet stitches into this double crochet stitch and 6 double crochet stitch here, and repeat the same pattern again and again. 6 double crochet stitches into chain 1 space and 8 double crochet stitches into double crochet stitch. So this is a zigzag pattern like this. Repeat this pattern till the end of the row. So friends, I have completed. In the last make chain 2 I have made 7 double crochet stitches here, so chain 2 is also counted as our double crochet stitch, so total of 8 double crochet stitches. So now you can see the pattern, these very beautiful ruffles and 3D pattern. This is the back side of this pattern. You can use this in different border edging design for blankets, even for sweaters. So if you like this fast and simple pattern, please like this video and share with your family and friends. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.